Hello, it's Owain at Tonic Studios here, and we've got some awesome storage solution bundles for you on the website, up to 50% off. Some brilliant ways to keep your craft goods in order, so let's find out what they are. First up, we've got our Winz grey handbag and roller set, a really great storage solution for your craft goods on the go. So that's available for you on the store this weekend at 50% off. Next, we've got our large die case storage bundle, and in this bundle you get your large storage die case and your inserts too, and that's available on the store this weekend at 25% off. We've also got a medium die case bundle for you on the store, and it also contains your stamp sheets and your divider sheets, and that's available for you at 25% off. Next, we've got our storage tray bundle, which is perfect for organizing all those special dies that you have, and that's available for you at 25% off. We've got our classic table tidy bundle next. You get your single pocket, double pocket and main caddy, all available for you at 40% off. We've got a one-time special offer of our Nouveau acrylic display stand. You can store all your crystal drops in this display, and it's available for you at 50% off. And there you have it. Those are your storage solutions for this weekend on the Tonic Studios Store. It's up to 50% off, so get them while you can. And until next time, see you soon.